Welcome to another shitty ass video. Oh, did those cuss words offend you? Oh, I'm not fucking sorry. This video I'm just playing around just for the hell of it. Listen, why don't you listen? Listen, can you hear that? Hopefully you can. Just playing around with my phone, with my crazy ass ringtones while looking up at the moon. Yes, I'm not showing my face in this once again because I really get tired of showing my face all the frickin' fucking time. Let's see, what else can I, maybe. Okay. Yeah. Listen to these ringtones. Yes, I'm not doing anything for this video. Let's see. Like any of them. Okay, I think that's about it of my ringtones. Maybe I could do some voices or something. Maybe I can speak in a different type of voices. And maybe never fucking repeat myself. I hate repeating myself. It's just so stupid of me. Oh no, I'm repeating myself. Oh dear. Oh, I hate to repeat myself. I need to talk about something else besides repeating myself. And I don't care if I bore you. This video, I'm making it for me to practice on some things. Well, just for the hell of it. For the hell of it. I like playing around with these videos. It's so relaxing. Relaxing, like looking at the moon or looking at the sky for whatever reason. Videos is what I love to do, no matter what. I love it. Whoa, this video is going to be going on a little bit too long. So I must end this part 8 soon because it's going on too long. Like that sound. Hopefully you do. And if you don't, who cares? I don't care at all. I just want to have fun with this video. And hopefully creep you out a little bit. Okay, it's gonna be in the end. A little bit. I just want to try a little bit. moving through the trees. Sorry about the lighting. And I hit on this notes. And end.